In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, validate, and list products using Temu for your online store. This process is all about turning a small investment into a substantial profit while ensuring that you're offering quality items that appeal to your customers. Let's dive into it. First, we begin with researching products on Temu. Head over to temu.com or use their convenient app. Once you're there, take the time to browse through the trending categories like gadgets, beauty products, home items, and various accessories. As you explore, pay close attention to products that show high demand. This is often indicated by the number of reviews a product has. Products in high demand will generally sell more quickly, making them a great choice for your store. Another crucial point is to focus on lightweight items. This strategy helps you save significantly on shipping costs, and these savings contribute to maximizing your profit margin. Another key aspect to consider is finding unique products that aren't easily available locally. This exclusivity could give you a competitive edge. Additionally, look for items with a low purchase price but with a potential for a high resale margin. For instance, an item you purchase for $3 on Temu might feasibly sell for $15 to $20 in your store. This kind of markup can greatly boost your profits. Now let's move forward to the second part of the process, which is validating the products you've found. Once you've zeroed in on a few promising items, it's time to delve into their reviews and ratings. This is crucial in ensuring the product's quality and reliability. Evaluating reviews helps you understand the product from a customer's perspective, revealing any potential issues that could affect your sales. It's also wise to compare prices of these items against other platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, or Walmart. This will help ensure that you maintain a healthy profit margin. As a general rule, avoid fragile items and very cheap electronics, as they often come with quality concerns that could result in higher return rates or dissatisfied customers. With your research and validations complete, it's time to list these products on your own store. Whether you choose to create your store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or even utilize a TikTok shop, the process remains similar. Start by uploading clear product photos along with engaging descriptions. While you can use Temu's images, it's best to write your own descriptions to match your brand's voice. When setting your retail price, include a markup of at least 30 to 60% to ensure your business remains profitable. Don't forget to include shipping details. Temu's standard shipping time is about 7 to 15 days. It's important to set the right expectations with your customers concerning delivery times to maintain trust and satisfaction. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building a profitable online store with products sourced from Temu. Happy selling!